Hi there. We're excited to have you here. In this video, we bring to you some of the top 3 AI tools you need to boost your productivity at work, school, in business, etc. The fact is that AI is changing everything. Whether you're a designer, entrepreneur, or student, these 3 AI tools will save you time and boost productivity, making your life smoother, easier, and more efficient. The very first AI tool we'll be recommending is 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses artificial intelligence, AI, to generate human-like text. It was developed by OpenAI and released in 2022. How it works. ChatGPT is trained on large amounts of text data. It uses a transformer algorithm to learn how to generate text. ChatGPT is fine-tuned for conversational applications using reinforcement learning and supervised learning. It uses human feedback to improve its responses. What it does helps with content creation, research, and answering complex questions. ChatGPT can answer questions and compose written content. It can generate creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, and emails. It can help with job applications by building resumes and writing cover letters. It can create personalized plans based on your needs and circumstances. How can this app be of benefit to you? You can use it to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, emails, and even code snippets. It helps to save time by generating ideas and improving writing quality. 2. Canva AI app. Canva is a free graphic design app that lets users create visual content for print and online. It has a drag-and-drop interface and a large library of templates. Users can also upload their own photos and videos. What can you do with Canva? Create social media design, generates AI-powered designs, logos, and social media graphics. Create designs, make invitations, business cards, flyers, posters, logos, social media graphics, and more. Edit photos and videos. Use the video editor and photo collage tools. Create websites. Build a business website using a template. Design products. Create templates for mugs, t-shirts, stickers, and other printed products. Sell designs. Create templates from scratch and sell them on sites like Etsy or Fiverr. How can this app be of benefit to you? Can be used to create quick thumbnails, posters, and presentations without design skills. It's simple to use with drag-and-drop features and AI-generated templates. 3. 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a company that uses AI to create realistic speech and audio. Their tools can be used to create audio for a variety of projects, including what it does, videos, create audio for content creators and short story writers, gaming, create realistic character voices and NPC dialogue, audiobooks, create natural voices and tones for authors and publishers, AI chatbots, create human-like voices for more natural and engaging experiences, virtual reality, create dynamic and immersive voice interactions. Healthcare, elevate patient engagement and streamline healthcare services. How can this app be of benefit to you? Supports multiple languages and accents, making videos sound professional. Convert your scripts into natural-sounding voiceovers for YouTube. These are some of the trending AI tools you can explore to boost productivity. We'll like to know which AI tool you like the most or want to recommend. Let us know in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to be the first to get other AI tools recommendations. Thank you.